Here for a good time as we're going to have the best cruise vacation ever. Look at all these beautiful people. How you doing? So ladies and gentlemen, let's get the party started. Let's welcome one of your DreamWorks family. Give it up for Alex the Lion! Alright, ladies and gentlemen, live from the King of New York. Alex the Lion. How we doing, Mika? How we doing? Yes, sir. You are on the big screen again. Here we go. Tell you to the fame. Big movie star. That's the way we're doing. That's the way we start our DREAMWORKS Sailing Away party. With the DREAMWORKS family and friends and entertainment family. Here we go. Gentlemen, how you doing? Welcome aboard for us for this big transatlantic voyage to Barcelona. We got a lot of people all the way. Oh, don't put me on widescreen. That's not good for anybody. No, let's have a look at all these people up here. Let's have deck number 12. Can we see these people? If you see yourselves on the big screen, give us a wave. We have some children. There's 4 of them this cruise. How you doing? One there, one there. That's it. That's it. 2 down here. Fantastic. Welcome aboard, ladies and gentlemen. We truly hope you are here for a good time as we're going to have the best cruise vacation ever. Look at all these beautiful people. That's the way we're doing, that's the way we start our DREAMWORKS Sailing Away party.
As you know, Carlos from Mexico. No. Well, Sarah, what are you on the whole access tour? No. What have you done with the captain, boy?
Everybody, come on. Up, down, 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 up, down. Now we go from left to right.
Let's do it here.
Left, right, left, right. Come on, left, right, 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 left. Oh!
Follow the leader.
Here we go. Yeah. Come on, everybody. Yeah. Here we go. Yeah.
Well, let's get together this party started.
Your seat. Yeah. Here we go. Yeah.
Welcome, beautiful. Welcome. How are you?
Here we go. Take it back now, y'all. One up this time. One up this time. Right foot, two stomps. Left foot, two stomps. Side to left. Side to right. Clear cross. Clear cross. Cha-cha now, y'all. Cha-cha again. Cha-cha now, y'all. Cha-cha again. Cha-cha now, y'all.
All right, let's kick it up on action. Let's see those hands are flowing in the air and those knees shaking. Let's have a listen.
And go. Can't touch this. Bye, break it down. And go. Can't touch this. Bye, break it down.
Let's see those hands. Wave on with the regular table family for their good tradition and our DREAMWORKS family of friends. It's the hand jump, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see if you can remember the hand jump. Here we go. Let's do the body hop. A little bit more familiar for everybody. We're gonna have a Cupid shuffle. Those hips, Royalty has arrived. Hastening to join us. Welcome. And Shrek, the big guy himself. How you doing? Oh, hastening to join us. Let's get this party on the road. But before we start, what a better way to be on the deep blue seas towards Europe. We'd like to make a toast from us to you. If you have a glass in your hand, raise it up high. We'd just like to say just for all the memories that we're going to be making this cruise, let's have them in such a manner that they may last you for a lifetime. Cheers! Woo, here we go! Thank you very much. All together, hallelujah, Roma. You can feel the love in the air. The royal family is having a dance. Let's go together, boys and girls and gentlemen.
You do the hokey pokey and you turn yourself around. That's what it's all about.
Oh, boy, it's a chicken dance. Wherever they are, our DREAMWORKS family and friends, on the ship which time and which day. Also, I'd like to let you know once more information. Tonight at 7:45 in the main theater, the big